Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Crafty Terrain. My name's Lee and today I'm going to be showing you how to make terrain from leftover junk lying around your house. Okay, the terrain that we're making today is for Star Wars Legion, and what I've got here in front of me is some waste pipe fittings that was left over from when I did under the sink. So there are your connectors, and then I've just got a small piece of pipe that was left over. And then this was an old like photo cube, I think, that you put photos in, but it was no longer getting used, so I'm going to turn it into a piece of terrain. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's take a look at everything we're going to be using today. So we've got our main component that we're going to be using for the terrain. We've got our piece of pipe. We've got our two black connectors. Some sandpaper, a saw, super glue, some spray paint. This is a silver hammered finish, so you get a little bit of a texture to it. And then some things that I've bought just to make it look so it's part of Star Wars. I've bought a door. This is 3D printed terrain. If you want to check out our other video, you can see all that terrain there. And then I've bought some Imperial decals that are like a transfer that you can stick on, and that'll just make it look like it's part of Empire. So that's everything that we're going to be using today. Okay, so the plan for all this is to try and make this into an Imperial refinery. So the first thing we're going to look to do is map out how we all want it to look. Okay, so let's say this is the front. I'm going to have my door sort of go there, and I'm going to have like a pipe looking like it's going from the ground into the terrain, and then from the back side probably a little bit further out, measure the sort of length that you want it to look, and then how you think that's going to end up looking. So yeah, probably going to be happy with that. So if that's how it's going to look, then we need to think about what we're going to do. So I need to cut this pipe to size, probably about 5 to 6 inches. And then something else that I've done, there was some manufacturer's like logo that was standing out there, so I've sanded that down with sandpaper so it won't stand out when it's painted. So yeah, I'm happy with how that's going to look. So I'm going to go and cut my pipe to 5 inches. Okay, then the next piece that we're going to be doing is I'm going to spray all the black pipe and the actual main refinery cube silver with this silver spray. Okay. When all that's done, we'll come back and show you how it's looking. Okay, we've sprayed them all up now silver, and if we put them into place so we can see how it's going to look. So it's going to sit something like that on your board, maybe in the corner to where you've got the refinery. And then I've also painted up the door, just simple grey, and then just put some colours on the buttons and a little wash and a highlight in the centre. And then the next step we're going to do is we're going to get the front of the door glued on, and once that's on, we'll put the decals on the roof and then probably one on the side. We'll get all that done and show you how it looks. Okay, there we have it, all finished. Doors glued on the front now, decal on the top. Looks pretty nice for about an hour's work really, and the majority of that is just drying time on the silver paint. Real easy piece of terrain you can make for your Legion board, and it won't cost you much money. Leftover junk and then a few little things that I bought from eBay. You know, if you can imagine putting a few little trees around it on the board so it sort of blends in, you've got yourself a nice piece of terrain. Hope that's shown if you're willing to get a bit creative, you can make terrain from leftover things around the house, and you don't have to spend loads of cash to make good looking terrain for your battle boards. That brings us to the end of the video. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like. If you want to see more from everyone at Crafty Terrain, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Hope you have a great day.